time. There you go. You want me to hold one of your bags real quick? What your main goal is, you want to have this really close to that. All right, so we are kind of sitting the way I thought. So,
yeah.
A fish. Oh, all right, wait.
Oh.
There you go. Yep, a sheephead.
I'll take it.
Walk in. Where they handle. Kind of pull them out that way. Don't let the line get cut on the boat. Oh, there he is. Oh.
Try to go.
Yep. Okay. We got a bluefish.
Wow, he's a fighter.
Hey,
I know you're making him.
it'll give you more leverage. Go ahead.
I gotta.
Walk in the front. He's going to his ankle. Yep. Keep it tight. Keep it tight. Yep. Let him run.
Don't let him go to the anchor. Go around the anchor. He goes around.
Just keep going. There you go. Yep. Hold on. Now let me try to hear go.
That's all right. He's going. So there it is. You gotta get the net, honey. Yeah. I didn't want to say anything and jinx it. Now leave his head in the water when you get him now.
Okay.
You got him right there. Perfect.
Yeah, nice. Don't horse it. All right. Now this is
Yay!
Oh, we got a baby. Here you go. Come here, buddy.
Oh,
You
wow,
lasso.
barely hooked.
I was like, man, you lassoed. Come here, man. It had been gone.
We're gonna just stay with Mom. Mom's
Yeah.
got a shove. That's perfect. Now, okay, just bring the tip of the rod toward me now. There you go. Yeah, and now lower the rod as you reel. Yeah, there he is.
Oh, that's another big ladyfish.
Yeah, you got a really big ladyfish.
Right.
Yeah, just bring him right toward us.
Ladyfish.
Pull her out?
Right up and go around the motor. Yep. Watch the cooler. Yep. Perfect. Yep, you're doing great. And he's probably gonna get it back. Pull the rod tip up. Don't let him go in the bushes. Wait. Pull the rod tip up and then reel it down. Wait. Now do it. Wait, it's not making that noise. Yep. Pull up. Oh, he's right in the bushes.
And now reel down toward him.
See the oyster bars over there, he's gonna break you off. Now do it again. Alright, do it again. Yep. You're good. Don't force. Yep. Perfect. Pull up. Yeah, there you go. That's how you do it. There you go.
Nice deer.
Yep.
Come on, get it.
Come on. Alright, hold on. Try to turn your rod tip that way because we don't want to be up by the anchor rope. Pull up. Oh shoot, we got turtle.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Let him run around the anchor rope because we don't want him to get tangled.
Do I need to get our turtle gear?
Out of the way.
Really?
No, you're fine.
Sure. How do we Okay.
All right, we're having turtle
What
soup.
do you do with the turtle?
We're gonna have to get our turtle gear and just de-hook him.
No turtle soup.
If it was a snapping turtle, I think a freshwater. That's a green turtle.